Good morning and welcome to the Nurse Aide Accelerated Programs Program Refresh. As the demand for healthcare increases, so does the demand for this profession. I am Lisa Stevens, the Dean of the Business and Healthcare Technology Division here at Albany Technical College, and we want to share with you more about what's happening beyond these walls. As it currently stands, according to the Bureau of Labor and Statistics, there are approximately 192,000 nurse aide openings out there in the workforce today. And Albany Tech is trying and striving to meet those demands. We've taken on some initiative steps as far as condensing our curriculum to a 7.5-week program, explored new experiential learning opportunities, and also increased the number of offerings that we've had over the past years. So this morning you'll hear from some individuals that are stakeholders in this program, and the first person I would like to introduce today is TRACY Prince, our program chairperson for the Nurse Aide program. Ms. Prince?
Hello, my name is TRACY Prince. I'm program coordinator for the CNA program here at Albany Technical College. I've been a nurse for about 8 years, and I started out as a CNA, and I continue education to become the RN today, in which a lot of my students are making the same choice. We have the 7-week program. Our classes are 3 days a week on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And we do our clinicals in the afternoon after lunch from 1 to 3. We also, about the 5th or 6th week, that's when we start our clinicals. And the clinical experience is at the local hospital. We usually do 1 week of clinicals about that 6th week and come back to campus and do our finals and reorient back to our lab. We're very proud of the fact that we are now a regional testing center as well as an in-facility testing center. So our students are able to test locally here on the campus in our own lab. We have had a successful turnout. Ms. Carolyn Carver is one of our students who have taken the certification test and successfully passed it and is now in the registry with the NNAAP, which is the National Nurse Aide Assessment Program. So we're very proud of her. I recommend this program to anyone who's interested in the medical field because it was my first building block to lead me to my nursing career.
Thank you, Ms. Prince, for sharing with us more about the program. We're excited to have her on board as well as the other faculty member. There are a total of approximately 6 faculty members within this program who have a very diverse background in both their educational and work experiences. So next, in addition to hearing now about the program, we're going to expand a little bit and talk about our partnerships with employers that are within our service delivery area. So now I'll ask to come to the podium Ms. MELANIE Finlayson, who is with Phoebe Putney Memorial Hospital, and her role is the Academic Workforce Development Manager.
Good morning. Thank you, Ms. Stevens. We are excited to be a partner with Albany Technical College. They have been an innovative partner with Phoebe in listening to what our workforce needs are and helping us to meet those needs by pivoting and changing the CNA program and condensing that to be a 7.5-week program. So we are excited to partner with such an innovative academic partner here at Albany Technical College. With that, we are excited that the state of Georgia chose to make a change and allow students to participate in clinical rotations within the inpatient setting, which has allowed us to expand our partnership with Albany Technical College. These students are coming into our inpatient setting and they're seeing a different population of patient that they don't normally get to see in the extended healthcare portion of long-term care facilities. And so this is giving them an opportunity to expand their skills and their scope of practice in the inpatient setting. And so we're excited to partner. We're excited to see these students rotating through our facility, and we're even more excited to hire these students into the inpatient setting as CNAs.
Thank you, Ms. Finlayson. So as Ms. Prince mentioned earlier, graduates of our program are eligible to sit for their NNAAP exam, which is a credentialing exam for certified nursing assistants. In addition to that, they're also eligible to earn an educational credential. This is a program that earns a technical certificate certificate of credit as well. So we do have one of our graduates who's going to share some words about her experience in the program, Miss Caroline Carver, that you'll get to hear from in just a moment. But as we bring this refresh to a close, we do want to encourage anyone that is interested in pursuing a healthcare career that nurse aide is a fundamental starting point for that career. I too myself started out as a nurse aide fresh out of high school. That exposed me to the healthcare career that I chose to enter later in my profession. We have 5 cohorts that start throughout the year. We have 2 entry points per semester for fall and spring semesters, and 1 entry point for the summer semester. So if you're interested in healthcare and want to get a start at an entry point level into a healthcare career, we definitely recommend our Nurse Aide Accelerated program. For more information on how to get involved in the program, you can visit our website at www.albanytech.edu, or you're more than welcome to contact our program chairperson, Ms. TRACY Prince. Thank you.
I knew that healthcare was always something that I wanted to do. All of my family is really involved in healthcare, working at the hospital. I just really wanted to kind of get involved with the community, being able to serve and give back to a community that's given a lot to me, and just being able to do it in the field that I have a passion for. It's really given me a sense of working harder, being able to work for what you want, and having the support system behind you that's going to help you and ensure that you're going to be successful, and knowing that you have people in your corner that are going to help you. That's really made my experience great, and that's kind of what I've taken from this, not just the skills but also the relationships that I've gained from it. I had the best time being able to go to the hospital, going and being able to interact with patients, like true patients, and seeing how everybody interacted with each other on the floor, seeing things like that is what that made my experience pretty great. That was like the biggest weight off of my shoulders, being able to pass, because I've worked so hard to prepare. Like, it was a short 7 weeks, but it was a rigorous 7 weeks, trying to make sure you have everything right, make sure you're prepared for the exam, and then the space in between having the class being done and then taking the exam, taking that time to prepare and be ready for it. And I just feel super accomplished to be able to say that I'm a certified nursing assistant. To try it, I'd just say, if you want to get your foot into the door with healthcare, being able to see if you're truly passionate about it, I would say go for it, be ready to work hard, and see if it's really what you wanted to do.